One advantage of the SureColor V1070 is that you can print on a wide variety of different media, substrates, and items. Let me show you how to load different items into the SureColor V1070. Open the main cover, and you can see we have at the bottom a groove, and on the right edge a groove, on the left and in the back. We always want to line our items that we're going to print on in the bottom right-hand corner of the grooves. So I have here a piece of acrylic. We want to line it here at the bottom groove and on the right side on the groove. That's going to make it easier to align your artwork to your substrate. Here's a round coaster. We also want to align it on the right side and at the bottom groove. Here's another example. We align it at the bottom and on the right side. Or a piece of natural stone, align it at the bottom and on the right side, as the printer by default is going to start printing at the bottom right corner. And always make sure to turn on the vacuum suction on the display, which will hold down your item securely in place and so it doesn't move while printing. And then close the main cover.